Linux. In your browser. No VM, no container, no server. Someone literally mapped web APIs to Linux syscalls. The internet is divided. Is this genius engineering or complete insanity? Let's find out. Someone just turned your Chrome tab into a full Linux terminal. Not a simulation, not a toy. An actual bash shell with 60+ Unix commands running natively in your browser. And the internet has opinions. This is Lifo.sh, and its core idea is wild. Instead of emulating Linux inside the browser, it flips the script entirely. The browser is the kernel. IndexedDB becomes your file system. The Fetch API handles networking. Web workers become your processes. It maps browser APIs directly to PH6 style syscalls. So what can you actually do? You get ls, cat, grep, org, set, the full Unix toolkit. Pipe commands together, redirect output. Tab completion works. Your files persist across page refreshes thanks to IndexedDB. You can even run node scripts directly. It feels shockingly close to a real terminal. Under the hood, there's a clean layer stack. At the bottom, browser API wrappers form the kernel. Above that, a virtual file system with a full inode tree. Then a complete bash shell with lexer, parser and interpreter. And on top, 60+ command implementations. But here's the catch. It only runs JavaScript, no compiled binaries, no true process isolation, and browser storage quotas still apply. But Lifo isn't the only game in town. WebVM uses actual x86 emulation through WebAssembly. It can run real Linux binaries but takes seconds to boot and is much heavier. Vershill's Just Bash simulates a shell specifically for AI agents. And then there's Lifo. Instant boot, tiny footprint but JavaScript only. Different tools for genuinely different jobs. So the real question is this actually useful? AI agent sandboxing? Maybe. Learning Linux basics? Definitely promising. Interactive product demos? Could be a game changer. Or is it just a really impressive weekend project? Honestly, I'm not sure yet. That's where you come in. Would you actually use this? Is browser as kernel genius or madness? Drop your take in the comments. I genuinely want to know what you think. And if you want more deep dives like this, hit subscribe. Let's figure this out together.